Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
Sure, it's not that noticeable.
Okay. Oh Jesus! Look at the zoomies.
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
En la Michi Pizzería todo se amasa a patita, pide la tuya de pollito, croquetazo.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Please help me. How do I keep a cat off the counter? I've tried everything. I've tried it all. The aluminum foil, the plastic cat mats. He's driving me absolutely insane. This guy is crazy. I don't know what to do anymore. He won't even...
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
Would you like some supper?
The ball.
Wow. I didn't know that. I just, you're telling me now for the first time.
Oh my God, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly.
May I have your smelly bird?
Merv.
Oh, Merv.
The attitude she has.
What did you do? It was you!
Food, of course. What's your favorite food?
Children.
This one is very, very sweet.
If you eat this piece of pizza, you don't make it into heaven.
You better fix my entire life, you little shit. boy who lived has come to die.
Squishy! Hey, Squishy!
Let me in, please. Hi. Oh, hi. Okay.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Both hands on top of the dough and use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks. Then sprinkle a little more flour onto the dough and the
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang ting tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình. Tình 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 tang tang ting tang tình mình tình tang 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 tình.
Hey! What you doing?
It's okay, don't cry. You're fine. You'll get it back.
En una mujer libre y un hombre soltero. Y esa fue la noche más linda del mundo.
I do not like men. That can't be that true. Hey. Okay.
Wrong. Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
When marimba rhythms start to play, you dance with me, you make me sway.
Dios mío, I do.
What are you doing? Do you want to play in here? Okay. Want me to get your... Okay. How do I pet? I don't know how. How do I pet?
How do I pet? How do we? Oh. Okay. There you go.
You get so many pets if you went to just
Feed my 70-pound German Shepherd.
This is not a German Shepherd, but he's my 29-pound something. I don't know what he is, but he eats blueberries. He's so grateful.
I can't answer that.
All right, then let's do this. Basically, it means the prosecutor's going forward with the UI. As long as you admit you lost the other subject.
What is the most challenging part about being a dog? Yeah. Interesting. Interesting, Belle.
How you feel about getting tricked?
get out. Yes, get out. No, you cannot stay in there. Out. Ah. Every day. Out. You little fucker. Get. Fine, bye. Enjoy.
I want to take him home. Baby, can we get him? Please. Oh. Slagi da koy. Babe.
Wait. Wait. Gentle. Wait. Back. Gentle.
You're fine. Excuse me, sir. Can you help me with my taxes? Be his voice.
You want me to be his voice?
Be his voice.
Hi. My name's Squirrel. Middle name Dan. And, I'm here for all your tax preparation needs.
So we surprised our daughter with a bearded dragon, and this was her reaction.
Open your hand and shut up.
What?
Okay.
Open your eyes.
Open.
You don't have to like me. But I wish you would, because I'm a delight, and I host really great tea parties, and I make cookies, and I will love you.
Thanks, Harper.
Ooh.
Look at your weird ears. You're not even that pretty. Okay, you're kind of pretty, but you're a little meanie. You're a mean baby.
I went to go put this bow on Willow and Cairo wanted it. You look handsome. You look very handsome.
Oh my God, hi. Hi, honey. Can you walk? Oh, no, you're very injured. Oh, okay.
وش بوبيب كذا؟ هذا شكله اللي سمع الموال.
Meow. 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 Meow.
يقلب والله ملحم حزين هذا.
How y'all gonna tell me that there ain't no God when this fish be spitting at a shrimp?
Wake me up.
He has no lips. How will he get a kiss? Very ugly. No kiss for him.
You better get out my kitchen. Back it up. Back it up, 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 back it up. Now you can talk about it. You can say what you gotta say, just not in my kitchen. Talk your shit then, son. Out the kitchen, though.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
Stand. Down. Down. Good boy.
Get up here! Ah, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, oh. Good boy. Good boy.
Daddy's sleeping. We can't wake him up. I'm sorry. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We can't wake him up. I'm sorry. You can cuddle him in the morning. Okay?
I'm looking at you. Mwah.
You're beautiful. Yes. Abby, don't be a snob. Say hello. Good morning, darling. Sweet baby. A hungry boy, my goodness.
Oh my god, bestie, have you listened to Fearless Taylor's version yet? Not yet, it's to freaking hours. I need my beauty sleep. Oh my god, it's so good. Her voice is godly. She's my queen. I'm sure she is no need to attack me. I'm an aggressive Swiftie.
Baby, hi.
Hey, boy.
Lean down and show me.
Hey, boy. What's this right here? Oh, what is that? What is that?
Who is that? What do you think? Who is that? Hi, baby.
Get a husky, they said. They're a lot of fun, they said. They're very cute and smart and intelligent, they said. They play with you and they laugh with you and they enjoy every daily life, they said. Well, what the act?
Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Come here. Come here. Oh, you poor baby. Oh, come here. I heard something in the pool. You're so cold. Can I get you a towel? Here, come here. Oh, poor baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How long were you swimming in there for? Oh. Be safe.
Гуляй, иди гуляй.
Bro, look at that new drip. Looking fresh as hell. Just like that badonkadonk.